Howdy everybody, Bobby Brown. Out here on the range today with one you haven't seen in a while. And there's a good reason for that. The old Mossberg Shotty. You know, I have the 28-inch ventilated rib for this, and I bought an 18-inch cylinder bore barrel for it. And I haven't been shooting it much because the safety crapped out. The detent ball, or whatever you want to call the little BB, and there's a spring under here as well that lets that safety rock forward and back. It fell out or something, and I had one on back order with Brownells for a long time. I finally broke down and got one off of eBay. I wish I'd got one of those oversized fancy ones, but it works okay. And I bought an extra spring and an extra ball in case it ever happens again. But evidently it happens a lot because Brownells, I think they're still on back order, or they discontinued them or something crazy. I don't know. I waited forever and I said the heck with it and just went to eBay. But anyway, I've added some Uncle Mike's sling anchors so that I could rig up my cheap slings. And I added a side mount shell holder, Velcro. It works pretty well. And I also use these two when I'm out here on the range because, well, I can carry a lot of ammo this way. I can blast a lot of stuff out here. It's a lot of fun. Let me see, the heat shield. That's some cheap thing. I think it cost like $3.50 off of eBay, and it was some Chinese crap. And I really just wanted to see how it was going to affect my front bead sight, which now I know how it affects that. And it actually works. To be as cheap and plasticky as it is, it actually works. So I guess that's all the changes I've made, and I'm back in action now. So I'm going to shoot a little bit. Hope everybody out there is having a great day, great whatever. And thanks for watching. Hit that like button because everybody likes to be liked, and you know that I want to hear you say a yeah. Let's blast some jugs right here. Let me see, I got 4 jugs. Just seeing if you're paying attention. I got 3 jugs set up right here. I'm going to blast. And there is one back up there on the hill, but I think I'm just going to end this video with a little blasting. Hope you enjoy, everybody. See you soon. Take you off.